Hey Woodhounds, Craig here. Today I'm finally getting around to testing the A2 Designs air filter upgrade kit for the Echo CS501P. I haven't had a chance to do that yet, even though I've had the kit for probably almost a month now. Right now the kit is not installed. First I'm going to do a couple test cuts without it. Then I'm going to do the install and do another couple test cuts and then try and compare the times to the best I can. This upgrade isn't really going to be that much noticeable in terms of power gained or speed of cutting. There should be some gains, but really the major point of this kit was just having an overall better filter design to keep things cleaner, easier maintenance, things like that. Plus it looks really cool. So I'm gonna fire up the saw, warm it up, and then I'll take you out to my little my testing area that I set up. It's just a couple pine logs that I got, so this should cut through the pine real quick. But I'll try and do some test runs here, and we can compare. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. Got the kit installed. It took me about 6 minutes. I did have the tools all ready to go, but that's it, 6 minutes. So I'll go back out and we'll do some more test cuts. I'll probably say this again, but this is not a true scientific test by any means. This is actually my first time ever cutting logs like that, trying to do some speed cuts. So, I'll see how fast each session was, but honestly, like if I'm speedy this time around, it's probably just because I got some practice in, right? So again, not really scientific, just more for fun, but let's go see how it does. So just revving up right there, I feel like I need to add a little more fuel. So I'm going to adjust the carb quick, maybe a quarter turn or so, see if I can give it some more fuel. That's a good sign. That means it's getting more air, so it needs more fuel. So I'll be right back. There you have it. First cuts with the new air filter kit from A2 Designs. Overall, it ran great, which you'd expect from a quality kit, brand new filter. I'll have to go back and actually, when I edit the video, kind of pay attention to the times. But honestly, I wouldn't put too much weight in what the outcome is, whether it's a tad faster or a tad slower even, I guess it's possible, just because, like I said earlier, that was my first time ever doing some of those speed cuts like that. So definitely not a professional, just a hobbyist out here. But yeah, if you're in the market for an upgrade, I would highly recommend this, especially if you're about to go out and buy a new factory filter for one of these 501Ps or 4910s. Spend the extra 40 bucks or whatever it ends up being and get the whole kit. So I did forget to mention, I did tune the carb slightly. I added a little bit of fuel, richened it up, maybe 1/8 of a turn. I'll have to do some more testing just to see if I need to richen it up a little more, or maybe it's good. I thought it sounded good there. You guys will have to let me know in the comments if you agree. I will mention one more thing. This saw is stock, you know, it's not ported or anything like that. So I'm sure a kit like this would have much more noticeable effects with a ported saw. But I do have the modified stock muffler. So it's still a stock muffler, but I took out this, I guess you could call it a restrictor tube. I'm not really sure. But this restrictor tube would go into the side of the muffler here. So I don't really know what the point of that was from the factory, but you know, that's obviously a restriction. And then after that was removed, I did open up the front port here a little more. Otherwise, it is a stock saw, you know, not ported. So again, cool design, cool kit. Highly recommend it. Look forward to running the saw more. Thanks for watching. Bye.